Yo, so today let's talk about another 5K account for free. You need to perform a simple task in order to win this account. But remember, it's going to be a random selection. Okay, so without being wasting much of your time, let's get started with today's episode. So if you're watching video for the first time on this channel, remember I do video about free funded account, no deposit bonus, and review video. Okay. I brought you the information every single day. You need to do your own investigation before you jump onto that. Remember, this video is for educational purpose and entertainment purpose only. I'm not in partnership with this prop firm. Let's get started. So I've been searching around the Discord server and I came across this new opportunity that I think is best to explain to you, my viewers, so that if you are interested in it, you can also jump onto this giveaway. Remember, the free 5K account is a simulated capital, not a real fund. Okay, so this was the announcement made today, just today, that 5K account giveaway. Okay, 3 or 5K account is going to be given away, and 3 links are being provided below here. YouTube link, and it's a short link, and then we have Instagram, and then X. So what this announcement means is that one of the top comments will win a 5K account from each link. Okay, so from each link, they are going to select any comment that you make, or anyone who is going to be picked is going to win an account which is 5K from he or she commenting under this video. Okay, so YouTube, they will select one person. Instagram, they also select one person, and X2, they will select one person. Let's say winner will be announced next week. So I'll be following this closely, and then share the winners with you in my Telegram channel as well. We can do video on that one. So anything that need more clarification is being done in the Telegram channel. Previous comment giveaway winners announced. Comment pinned. Okay, so they said previously they hosted one giveaway, which was this form, and they have announced the winners already. And this is a new one that they are uh, announcing again. And I have to loud it out for you, my viewers, to get interested in this content and then comment. So if you are enjoying most of my video and you are able to get an account from me, then make sure you comment below, and don't forget to share this video and like. I love you all for the good work that you have been doing for me as well. I love you people. Keep on supporting me, and I'll keep on updating you with information about free funnel account and no deposit bonus. Goodbye, and see you tomorrow in another update.